Hi guys, 2020 comes to a close. We all won some, we all lost some. A year we never thought that would turn out like it did. But hey, we've all survived it. We are here now. We've all made it to 2021. So let's begin 2021 with some smiles. We are just more experienced, if not anything else. So cheers to the new beginnings. See you all on the other side. We thought we'll end this year with a happy face. Although it's a very emotional moment for all of us, especially for Pavan and me, as we record the last video of 2020 on CD Baat. But we are sure and we are very, very confident that the next year would turn lucky for CD Baat and we'll have even more things to celebrate and to say a cheers to, even more young leaders to celebrate, and more happy faces on this platform cheering all of you up. So we asked our subscribers to share their experience of 2020, and here are some clips where our select subscribers shared their experience of 2020 in just a video of 1 to 2 minutes. So go ahead and enjoy all the subscribers who have shared their experience, and I'm very sure you'll be able to relate with it because we personally, when we heard it, we were really emotional. We could relate with it, and all we could say is cheers to the new beginnings. There you go.
Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great and having a great time. As we know that 2021 is around the corner and 2020 is about to end. So yes, we all know that 2020 was full of mishappenings, negativity all around the world. But despite of that, if you are strong enough to handle this situation, then can handle anything in your life. That's the biggest lesson I learned in 2020. 2020 was a game changer year for me because I learned so many new things and so many new things happened to me. I self analyzed myself, my skills, and upgraded my skills. I made new friends around around different cities, and around the globe. Moreover, as life is full of ups and downs, so I also got COVID positive few months back, but now I am fit and fine. Yes, 2020 was not that much great, but yes, if you will see the other side of the coin also, so both have advantages also and disadvantages also. So if you see the positive side, then you will be seeing that yes, 2020 have given us a lesson and it's a new normal. So yes, in short, my 2020 was great, and I hope that your 2021 will be great year for all of you. All the best.
I'm Kamta Bishnoi, first year media student. So I would like to share my experience of the year 2020. जैसे कि आप सबको पता है कि 2020 सबसे डिफ़िकल्ट ईयर रहा है सबके लिए, चाहे वो आप हो या मैं हूँ. बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट था सबके लिए. ऐसे ऐसे मोड़ आए ज़िंदगी पे जो कभी किसी ने सोचे भी नहीं थे. एंड सबसे पहले कोरोना वायरस आया, जो हमने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि ऐसी भी कोई बीमारी हो सकती है, ऐसी कोई महामारी हो सकती है जो पूरे वर्ल्ड में फैल गई, जिसकी वजह से सबसे मेन चीज़ वही थी. बाकी कोई भी चीज़ हुई ना हुई हो, सबसे मेन चीज़ वही था कि उसकी वजह से पूरी प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हुई है. एंड लोग ट्रैवल नहीं कर पाए, लोगों के फैमिलीज वाले मतलब उनसे दूर हो गए. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई जो हमने कभी सोची नहीं थी. मेरे साथ खुद ऐसा हुआ. मैंने 12th बोर्ड एग्जाम्स दिए थे, मेरा एक बोर्ड एग्जाम रह गया था. एंड मार्च से मैं वेट कर रही थी कि मेरा एक बोर्ड एग्जाम होगा, बट नहीं हुआ. एंड फाइनली जुलाई में रिजल्ट्स निकले. तो बस था कि ये मतलब कुछ भी करो, बस सब कुछ खत्म करना है, जल्दी करो. तो सबका ये था कि 2020 कंप्लीट करो. तो वो एक बहुत अच्छा था कि मतलब मेरे रिजल्ट्स बहुत अच्छा है 2020 में. सिर्फ यही दो चीज़ मेरे साथ अच्छी हुई बोलना चाहती हूँ. मेरे रिजल्ट्स बहुत अच्छा है, मुझे बहुत अच्छे कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिल गया. एंड मैं बहुत ज़्यादा दुख होता है जब देखती हूँ कि लोगों के साथ इतना सब कुछ बुरा हुआ 2020 में. मतलब लोगों ने अपने फैमिली वालों को खोया, कोई किसी से दूर हो गया, ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें. तो देख के बहुत दुख लगता है, बट क्या करें, 2020 में था ही ऐसा सब कुछ. बहुत जो हमने कभी सोचा नहीं था वो सब कुछ होगा. सो आई होप बेस्ट कि 2021 में सब कुछ अच्छा हो, सबके लिए अच्छा हो. सो एट लास्ट आई वुड लाइक टू विश हैप्पी न्यू ईयर सबको एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.
Hello everyone, this is Pranay Jain here. So I am here to share my experiences of 2020 with you. So, as we all know, 2020 has been a very disastrous year for the world and also for India as well. We were surrounded by negativity everywhere. All these natural phenomena, natural disasters, one after the other, were surfacing. But still, there are also good things that happened both in our personal lives and also in surroundings for many of the people. So personally speaking, for me, 2020 was also a very good year. I could make many friends, virtual friends though. Very soon I hope to meet them in person as well. Uh, and many good things also happened. I met people from Kerala through Volunteer for India program. Yes, everyone were really so good. Uh, and then I also was able to have take a session on public speaking as everything was online, so it also went online. And yes, the month of April was really very good for me because I could spend time with family, and I never imagined that I would be having this a lot of time, ample of time with my brothers, cousins, and all. So yes, it turned to be a good month. The month of April was really very good. Uh, and in the month of July, I had online sessions with Volunteer for India. That was also really so awesome, and I am so happy and glad to meet all such great people. And then moving forward, yes, in the recent October month was also very special for me because in that month I met a very special person on October 24th. So I am very much thankful for that. And apart from that, yes, though COVID has made many people suffer a lot and many of them lost their lives, though I feel bad for that. But still, Corona has also made us learn many great things as well. So we must always see the positive side of the coin rather than the negative side. So that's all. And yes, I wish that the vaccine may come very soon in the market as well, and everyone gets cured very soon. And I also pray wholeheartedly that this COVID end as soon as possible, and the upcoming 2021 year to be a very very happy and very good year for each and everyone. So all the very best, and I also wish you all a very happy new year.
हेलो गाइस, मैं हूं पवन राज पाटिल, नेशनल मेडलिस्ट जिम्नास्ट और शिव छत्रपति स्टेट स्पोर्ट्स अवॉर्डी। आज मैं इस वीडियो के माध्यम से आपको मेरा 2020 का एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने वाला हूं। दोस्तों, बिना फुल स्टॉप के कोई भी सेंटेंस को महत्व प्राप्त नहीं होता और बिना फुल स्टॉप के कोई किताब कंप्लीट भी नहीं हो सकती। ठीक उसी तरह 2020 में जो हमारी बेलगाम दौड़ने वाली ज़िंदगी थी उसे फुल स्टॉप मिला है, ताकि हम थोड़ा सा रुके और अपने लाइफ के इम्पोर्टेंस के बारे में और अच्छे से समझें और जानें। दोस्तों, मैं बचपन से ही स्पोर्ट्स ट्रेनिंग के लिए हॉस्टल में रहा हूं और 2020 में लॉकडाउन की वजह से मुझे अपने फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने का मौका मिला और परिवार की जो अहमियत होती है वो जानने का मुझे मौका मिला। काफ़ी ज़िम्मेदारियों से मैं वाकिफ़ हो चुका हूँ। सो इस लॉकडाउन की वजह से फैमिली के साथ अच्छे और बुरे टाइम में साथ रहने का, उनके साथ शेयर होने का मुझे मौका मिला। और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़, सावित्रीबाई फुले पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी की जो ऑल इंडिया इंटर यूनिवर्सिटी की जो टीम थी उसका कोच बनने का मुझे अवसर मिला। और लॉकडाउन के बीच में मैंने चैम्पियंस टॉक शो भी स्टार्ट किया है, जिसमें महाराष्ट्र के जो जिम्नास्ट कोचेस और जजेस हैं जिन्होंने इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म पे इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट किया है, उनके अचीवमेंट्स को अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए, आने वाले जिम्नास्ट को उनसे मोटिवेट करने के लिए और जिम्नास्टिक्स का प्रमोशंस करने के लिए ये मैंने इनिशिएटिव लिया है। और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, मैं जिम्नास्टिक की एकेडमी भी रन करता हूँ, तो मेरे बच्चों का लॉकडाउन के बीच उनके फिटनेस के ऊपर, उनके परफॉर्मेंस के ऊपर इफ़ेक्ट ना हो, इसलिए मैंने ऑनलाइन जिम्नास्टिक कोचिंग भी स्टार्ट की है, जो कि अब तक कंसिस्टेंटली चल रही है। सो गाइज़, ये जो इम्पोर्टेंट एक्सपीरियंस थे वो मैं आपके साथ शेयर किया है। और जाते जाते इतना ही कहूँगा, चाहे कितनी भी डिफ़िकल्टी हो या फिर डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम हो, उसमें अगर हम अल्टरनेटिव्स ऑप्शन के साथ कंसिस्टेंटली काम करते रहेंगे तो डेफिनेटली हम सक्सेसफुल बन सकते हैं। चाहे कितनी भी डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन हो, लेकिन उस सिचुएशन में हम अगर अपने लक्ष्य के ऊपर डटे हैं तो हमारी जीत पक्की है। सो गाइज़, जाते जाते इतना ही कहूँगा कि आने वाला जो 2021 का जो ईयर है वो आपको बहुत बहुत खुशियाँ दे, और आपको नए साल की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। और जाते जाते इतना ही कहूँगा, स्टे फिट, स्टे हैप्पी, जय हिंद।
Hello, Belinda Maya from Cameroon. The year 2020 has been an interesting yet a challenging one. Reason being, it had to kick off with us still experiencing the ongoing crisis that has lasted for 4 years here in Cameroon. Then later on, the COVID-19 came that slowed down everything, being it economically, socially, and all other aspects. It was like our dreams for the year were being shattered. But hopefully, because we were very positive about everything, we had to kick off with our activities like we did some rehabilitation, we did trauma healing, we did some trainings for persons with disability, and we also reached out to the less privileged in the society with food items, clothing, and some other things. Moreover, we had to meet some beautiful people who were like support force for everything we do. Therefore, to me, I would say it has been a very successful year.
Yes, good morning, everyone. My name is Ogunkari Kabirolaiton. People call me Mr. Egalitarian, as you know. Yeah, 2021 is here already. I want you to actually ask yourself that thing that you are yet to do. All right, that thing that you wanted to do, but you're yet to discover it. Do it. Give it a time. Give it a taste, and go out there to be great.
So yeah, we have seen all our subscribers who have spoken just now, and they've spoken really well, and they've also mentioned about how their experiences have been. And it's quite natural that we are all having a lot of connection with that, because we could all relate to it in more ways than one. So if I come to my experience of 2020, I think it started off with a trip to the northern part of India, and that is Punjab, where Lovepreet stays. And we caught up a lot, and I had a nice time there. And then, when the COVID situation came about, we did not have any alternative. We were not just having any new thoughts. We could not get ourselves to, try something new. But sometime in the middle of May, we got some ideas. So that was this podcast, and that's how it started. And this podcast, when I first started it, I was not very sure how would the reach be, but given the kind of response we have received so far, I think it only makes me wonder, uh, whether small ideas can. I used to actually wonder whether small ideas can actually have any big impact, but Siribat proved to be otherwise, because it actually has told us that even small ideas can, uh, go in a very different way and actually make some change, if not at the ground level, at least in terms of the mindset. And that is what we have done at Siribat, and we are proud of what we have done at Siribat in the last few months since May 9th of 2020. So that being that, I would also add that those who joined us, all the people, right from the first guest who is our close friend, and from all the way to the last one recently, which we recorded, all of them have given some amazing insights, and they've shared their points, in a very nice structured way, which would act as an inspiration for those who are watching us, to put out their points in a more proper manner, and also be confident, and thirdly, be bold about what they want to say. So it's not just about saying something, but having a proper opinion, structuring it, and a lot of things. And that's what I have received as feedback from those who have joined us, and also saw our podcast. That would be my take from my end at Siribat. So now over to you, Lovepreet.
Well, it was really emotional and heartwarming to see people sharing their experience of 2020. Of course, it was sweet and salty both. There were days when you would wake up with immense energy to do something, and you would, at the end of the day, accomplish what you had in your heart. And there were some days when you would wake up hopeless, and you would think, when will this end? When will we be able to meet up again? When will we be able to live a normal life? Well, my life was pretty much the same. There were days when I woke up with new hopes, a very high energy with smile on my face, and I could spread that smile. And there were days when I would wake up completely clueless about what to do in life, because those were the days when education was online, friendship was just on social media platforms, and all we had on the name of relationships was long distance people sitting away from us. And even worse, there were some children, some of us staying away from their parents, also staying away from their immediate family and friends as well. And that was really heartbreaking for sure. But we all, as I said before, we have all gone through this. I think we are the generation who can claim to have survived one of the hardest years in life, because we are also the generation that got used to new ways of life. We are one of those generations who have adopted, two different kinds of lifestyles in just one life. And I don't know how many different lifestyles we are going to adopt in the future. But I think this year has just prepared us to be better humans, to be resilient, to be persistent, to be diligent, to be positive, to be optimistic, and to make the best of whatever the situation is. If it was normal, maybe we would have never come up with CD Bath. Maybe we would have never explored Zoom and the dimensions of Zoom. Maybe we would have been so busy with our lives and the small issues that we have in life, we would have forgotten to create a bigger impact. But thanks that there was pandemic, thanks that the pandemic locked us in our homes, in our rooms, and made us think about those people who add value in our lives. And just stop and think. It was a happier pause where we could just stop and think where we are going, what are we doing. There were so many of us who found our passions in this time, who found our goals in this time, who got to know that they were going wrong and they could realign themselves in this time. There were some of us who were proud and could, simply could pat our backs. There were some who started their own pages, their own media channels, their own firms and their own companies. They could make their ideas a reality. And I think that's no less than a miracle, isn't it? Because we never got this pause in life. We were always running and running and running so fast. We would just miss out on moments with our family. We would miss out on enjoying the food that we eat. We would miss out on talking to our friends on conference calls and sharing our day with each other. But this time has made us realize the importance of having a deep sleep, the importance of having good food, the importance of having a shelter, the importance of having a family, the importance of having your friends. It's so very important. And this was kind of, you know um, a break to all of us, of course, because this break came all of a sudden. We could not enjoy it like a vacation, but I think we did make the best of it. I'm very sure at some point or the other, you all must have felt proud of yourself. And if not, this is the time to feel proud of yourself, because you have gone through all of this. You have underwent all of this with the spirit, and you are what you are today. You have something which has been added to your experience, and you can change lives now with this experience that you have. If not anything, you just learned to control your your desires. You learned to control and live with what situation you are put in, and not in the situation that you want to be in. So I think this was a beautiful phase, a beautiful journey. And I would say I really hope 2021 comes with lots of positivity, good health for everybody. I really hope everyone just smiles in 2021. We have lost many of our warriors. We have lost the frontline warriors in COVID. We have So many people have lost their family members. So many of us have lost our parents. I know a lot of my friends, like immediate friends, who have lost either of their parents or have lost very close family members. I think all we can do is just pray for their peace, and we can hope that the next year turns out to be really healthy, and it keeps our close friends and family, people across the globe whom we don't even know, just happy and healthy and very positive. I really hope that we all take a lesson from this particular year, and we continue to add value to our lives and to others' life, and we would utilize this time that we have, and we would constantly start giving ourselves this happier pause, even if our life gets back to the track immediately in 2021. I really hope we start valuing this time which we had for ourselves and with our families. And I really hope your 2020 was a memorable year. remind yourself of everything positive that happened in this year. Try to make yourself positive. Take a note from everything negative that happened in this year. I've seen people falling down, shattering in this year, and then rising in this year itself. So this year was a roller coaster, and like every roller coaster and adventure park journey, you just have to remain with the memories that you got, and you have to take the lessons. I hope we all meet very soon. All of you who are watching us, I hope one day we get a chance to host you, and one day we get to know your beautiful story, your beautiful journey. And I really hope that CD Baat expands as a family more than just a YouTube channel. I think we would love to expand as a family of people who understand each other and who wish to add value to each other's lives. And Happy New Year to all of you. A virtual hug to
On
all of
that
you
note,
who have
yeah,
survived 2020. And I hope you're all set to enjoy and embrace whatever God brings for us in 2021.
and on that note, wishing everybody a happy new year, and 2021 is going to be full of opportunities.
Yes.
There's no, if you fall down, it does not mean you don't get up. And on that, we have to always be positive no matter what the situation is, and we have to keep on doing our work. And that's about all that has 2020 has taught us all. And we would all not only wish you a happy new year, but also when the new year comes, it will bring you renewed happiness, renewed courage to do new things. And hope we would expect a lot of our subscribers also to start off something new and present to us. We would love to talk to you on that. And yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. Stay happy. Keep us in your prayers, and we will keep you in our prayers for sure. To the people whom we have lost, we would say that we love you. We'll always stay connected to you, and however we can, we'll be available for you. For those whom we have won, thank you so much for considering us capable of that. To the family of around 400 people, which we have at this moment at 5:30 p.m. on 31st of December. Thank you so much for trusting us. Thank you so much for staying and sticking around with us. We are truly, truly obliged, and we really hope to see this family growing year after year for many more years to come. Cheers and a happy new year to all of you from both the hosts of CD Baat. We absolutely love you all, and we wish you all the happiness. Thank you.